Welcome to my quick video on how to send things to 3D print here at Ivanhoe Grammar. Now, I have gone onto this website called Thingiverse because the first thing that we need to do is we need to get a .stl file. Okay, and this site called Thingiverse has heaps of wonderful things we can 3D print. Now, as you see, I've searched at the top here for a flower. You don't need to sign into Thingiverse, you can just search. So I've searched for flower, and this is, this is what I want to print. So I'm going to click on the picture and it will open up the information about your image. Now, do not press download all. Come down here and go to Thingy Files. And then what you want to do is you want to download the STL file. Okay, so not that one, the .stl. So press download. And what you'll see is it will come along here. You'll see I've got some others that I have printed. Now, attached to the email that you have got with this link to this video on it, you will also have instructions on how to 3D print. So I'm currently here. I've got my STL file. Okay, now I need to go to step 1 and open this link MakerBot Cloud. So if you just press Control and click on your mouse, that will open up. You log into this website using these details. You don't need to make an account on MakerBot Cloud. So you log into that. Alrighty, MakerBot Cloud. Let me open one up. Now mine will probably log in automatically for me. Okay, so I've already gone through the login so my computer saves it. So once you've logged into MakerBot Cloud, you need to click Start a New Print. Okay, and this is our print area. So this is what our printers look like. I'm going to drag my Radiant Blossom from down here onto that print plate. Give it a minute. Now, I may want to resize it. It's a little bit too big for what I want, so I'm going to go there. And 100% is the size that you bring it in at. I want to decrease mine, so I'm going to go down to 70%. Okay, so it's a bit smaller. Now, some things need support, so if in doubt, there, add support. So anything that's like arms hanging out or things like that would probably need supports put in. Do I think mine needs supports? Yeah, I'm not sure, so I'm going to put them on just in case. So, added supports, it's in there, it's the size I want. And there are some other things you can do. You can change the orientation of it. So you can flip it over on its sides and things like that. And you can move it around on its build plate, but you can also do that just by grabbing it and moving it. Alrighty, so I'm ready to go. The next thing I need to do is press Print Preview, and this is going to get my file ready to print. So it will continue to do its print preview. I just paused the video so you didn't have to wait for a while. It can take quite a while to do the print preview. Once it's done, you'll be able to press on Export there, but it's still doing its thing at the moment. Okay, so once you get some crazy image like this in front of you, it's ready to print. And what this is showing you is the order that it's going to print in. Okay, so that's why it looks a bit crazy. Don't worry about that. You need to press this red button on the right hand side here saying Export. And what that will do is that will load a file down here. Now, you see how this one ends in MakerBot, whereas that one ended in STL. So it's the one called MakerBot that we need to send to the printer. Okay, so you would now be on your instruction sheet. So what have we done? We've gone to MakerBot Cloud. We've done this. Step 2, we added our file. We added our supports. Step 5, okay, we've done our print preview. Now we've pressed Export. Our next step, we need to do this next thing now. We need to send it to our Innovation Centre. We need to send it where we print. So you're going to have to select this link here. And when you get to the Innovation Centre, you're going to have to log in. Okay, Okay, so I am going to reopen the Innovation Centre on my laptop. Here it is. Okay, now mine goes straight in because I'm already using it. Okay, but you'll have to make an account first of all, and you'll see by our instructions that the details on how you make an account is here. Now you need to use your school email address. Okay, so here's how you would do that. Alrighty, so now it's time to send your print in. Okay, let's make sure that's next on the instructions. I'm not rushing ahead. Yeah, so now you've got instructions on how you're going to do this, okay? You have to add the MakerBot. You can't just bring it in from Thingiverse or it won't work. So you will go to print request. You won't have this direct print, okay? So you're going to give it a name. My one is Flower. There's no point giving it a deadline because we do them as they come in. We have a range of different colours, but we do not have all the colours on this list, okay? So choose a colour, but we will try and get it close as we can. If you want it printed quickly, you're best off saying any colour, and then we will print it in whichever colour's free. Now you need to go to Add File. The file for our printers that you need to upload is the MakerBot one. So I'm just dragging it from here up to here and then press upload. If you don't press upload, it won't work. Lots of people forget to press that upload there. So it's uploaded, .MakerBot. Okay, ready to go. Next step. And all I've got to do is confirm it. And that's now in the queue. It's in my queue, you wouldn't see it there. It's in the queue, ready to go. So I'm looking forward to seeing some of your prints come through.